Hello. I will be showing you how to generate an ROI on Ticket.com. First, you'll want to go to www.yourticket.com. Once you're there, you're going to select ROI Generator. Once this page comes up, you're going to go ahead and select Calculate. This is where you can enter your estimated monthly order. So let's just say your estimate monthly orders is $1,000. And your average ticket per order is $20. Average food cost at 30%. The number of understaffed hours is about 120 hours a month on average, and the average hourly rate is $10. So, let's go ahead and select Calculate. Once you have calculated that, we're just going to scroll back up, and it'll show that your projected sales through Ticket as $7,300 monthly. Now, if you scroll down, you'll also see the reduction of your ordering errors, impulse purchases, incremental margins, estimated labor savings, ticket service fee, and your projected benefit of Ticket is that $1,659.90 monthly. And that is how you can calculate your ROI. And also, if you want to receive this report in your inbox, simply enter your merchant name, business name, contact email. Partner code is optional, as well as partner email is also optional. And you can have this sent directly to your email. Thanks for watching. Visit yourticket.com/ROI-generator today to try it out yourself, or simply scan this QR code.